was a secret girl. David, please enough. But you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like the fall, the fifth, the minor fall, the major leap, the perfect king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Fate was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her pathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight hope through you. She tied you to her kitchen table. She broke your throne, she cut your head, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I know this room and I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Life is not a victor art. It's a cold and it's a broken